Welcome to this quick tutorial on the AceToolz Split PDF tool. You can find it under PDF Tools in the navigation menu at the top of the AceToolz homepage. This is the Split PDF tool interface. Let's start by uploading our PDF file. Once uploaded, you'll notice the interface organizes itself into three sections. On the right, we have our split options. On the left, we have the split files list. And in the center, we have a live preview of our document. Let's go through the split options one by one. The first option is split after every pages. Simply specify a number and a new file will be created after every that many pages. The second option is custom page ranges. You can manually define exactly which pages go into each file, add multiple ranges, and customize the split however you need. This gives you full control over the output. The third option is even odd split. This always splits your document into exactly two files, one containing all even numbered pages and the other containing all odd numbered pages. Very handy for double-sided document processing. As you may have noticed throughout this demo, both the live preview and the split files list update in real time as you change your settings. You can also see the total number of output files displayed here, so you always know exactly what you're going to get. Now, let's hit download and that's it. Our PDF is split and ready to use. Try it out for free at acetools.com. Thank you for watching.